This video is titled Hot Wheels cars cannot go west in the United States of America. Now what the heck does that mean? You know those little Hot Wheels cars or those Matchbox cars that they only go in a straight line, so I'm claiming they cannot go west in America. But certain places in Africa, they can go west. How can that be? But in Europe, they cannot go west. In Russia, they cannot go west. Certain places in Indonesia, they can go west. Certain places in Brazil, they can go west. But in Australia, they cannot go west. Can you figure this out? What is going on here? So we have to remember that we live on a spherical Earth, and what does it mean to go west, and what does it mean to go straight? So here's my little Matchbox car. I don't have any Matchbox cars, but this little trolley thing, when it's on the Earth, it only goes in a straight line to minimize curvature. So if it were on the equator, it can go west on the equator. So the countries or the places I said that it could go west, I said that it could go west in parts of Africa, like the equator goes through Africa. So a Matchbox car can go west along the equator, but I said it could not go west in America, because in America, what it means to go west is there's curvature. The car has to curve, and Hot Wheels cars only go in straight lines. Like a good way to think of it is from the North Pole. If you're on the North Pole, any direction that the Hot Wheels car goes is going to be due south, and it goes along these great circles. Let's assume we take our Matchbox car to the North Pole. Any direction it goes is going to be due south, and it's going to travel along a great circle. A great circle is the circle on a sphere that has the largest circumference, and is as straight as you can get on the surface of a circle. So when we go north and south, we travel along these great circles that don't have any curvature. So a Hot Wheels car can go north and south anywhere, but west is a little different. Look, this line here is a line of going west, and here is a good view where you can see it's clearly curving. So any place that's not on the equator is going to be curving, and the Matchbox car cannot do that. If we look at this picture here, this kind of shows it also. You're starting from, say, the North Pole, so any direction that the Matchbox car went is going to travel along one of these vertical paths. So the Matchbox car is perfectly happy to travel along these vertical paths, but it can't do those curves like this. That's why I say it can't go west in the United States, because it can only go west along the equator. So I said, so this line is the equator, so it can go, Matchbox car can go west in some parts of Indonesia, cannot go west in America. It can go west in some parts of Brazil, can go west in some parts of Africa. Said it could not go west in Australia. So because what it means to go west means you have to take this curved path, and Matchbox cars don't curve. So that's something kind of cool. You can bet your friend, I bet you a Matchbox car cannot go west in America, but it can go west in Africa, in some parts of Africa, and they might take you up on the bet. Alrighty then, thank you very much.